Today I will make bodycon mesh base dress. What means base dress? Base dress means you are making the base, the dress, and after that you can decorate it how you want it.
You can tell by yourself. This fabric is really expensive. It has diamonds in it.
I got you there. This fabric is called polyester. It's affordable. It doesn't have diamonds inside it.
Grab one point of the fabric with your one hand. Go in the back. With the other, you should be holding the end of the fabric. Pin with safety pins the neck part. Pin it on 3 points, the upper, the middle and the bottom. The points of the fabric should be parallel.
What I'm doing in my bathroom, it rains outside. I cannot go there because the raindrops are like pop, 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 pop.
Stretch the fabric when pinning the points. This is bodycon dress, so it should be tight. Fill the other parts with pins.
Marking the things with this permanent marker. This is truly a no-no. Don't do it. Never. This is one common mistake that I make. When I film videos, I'm in a hurry because I want to film as many things as possible. I depend on the light in my room. So I grab the first thing I see. When I need Sharpie, I grab permanent marker. When I need marker, I grab Sharpie. That's just how my things work.
I remove the dress from the mannequin and mark with Sharpie the pinned parts. The safety pins were tangled in the mesh, so I've struggled to remove them. No matter how hard it is, the pins should be removed. I'm continuing the lines where my spots are created. So I have measured that the length of the dress should be 93 centimeters. But I will add 7 more centimeters and it will get 100 centimeters. I first cut the upper part and then I will go and cut the underneath part. As you can see, I cut along the pattern. The marked red line should be hand stitched with strong and thick thread. The only problem with this dress is that it turned out really short.
Do you know what's really short? The dresses of the idols, which people like me made them to wear.
I cropped this part to not stand in my way. My mannequin's leg left the chat. I cut the armhole and enlarged it a little bit to have the form of an arm. I've removed the dress from the mannequin and chopped the other armhole. My moment of truth is going to be the final piece. My moment of truth is going to be the final piece. How poetic. Important notice. Make sure your fabric is really elastic. Oh no, I have hump there. Looks like the Hunchback of Notre Dame. But don't worry. I'm stitching the outgrowth and then I will cut it without any mercy. I thought that this looks like medical stitched skin. Really strange. The final piece is right over here and I just have to remove this thing. I know you want me to grab the scissors and crop it as much as I do, but have a patience. For the last time, you are in my arms without a zipper, And I'm going to make you... I have made a pattern. Well, I'm going to use hidden zipper, but this zipper is smaller than what it has to be. You should sew the mesh fabric to this point over here. And after that, simply insert the zipper.
Sorry to disappoint you, but this video has to end here. There are dozens of videos to show you how to insert your hidden zipper, and I truly am annoyed by sewing zippers. This is really driving me nuts. In the next video, I will show you how to decorate this dress in the latest trends.
You can use this idea to create prom dresses and to decorate after it. If you don't want these mountains to appear, don't stretch the fabric while sewing the zipper.